Hi everyone, it's Gail. I am here with my guest design team project for Dreams, etc., and my design team project for A Tattered Dream for November. So I have used the gorgeous Christmas Remnants kit from Dreams, etc., to create this journal and all sorts of items from A Tattered Dream, which I will point out as we go along. So I've used a 9 by 12 envelope cover, and this one I've done the faux leather on with a green paper that comes on a roll at Home Depot. Actually, it is in the paint department. It's called masking paper, and super cheap, and it comes on a big roll, and so and it's real easy to work with. So it's kind of like craft paper, but it's kind of a nice, really nice green color. So I've used on the cover, in these printables. If you purchase these printables, she has a whole section that is easy to make into cards, into Christmas cards. So I used one of those on the front, sewed around it, put it on some paper and cheesecloth, did a little layering in the corner, and then tied it all up with some pink seam binding that has been coffee dyed. So let's get into the journal here and move it over a little bit. Okay. So I've covered the inside with one of the beautiful papers from the kit. I have to say that I only used about half of the papers from the kit. I concentrated on the ones with Santa Claus. There's a lot more with some of these sweet little cherubs on it. So, but the lady that ordered this journal was wanted to be more Santa heavy than cherub. So that's what I did. So we'll start off here. I did some stamping as well with a background stamp that I ordered from Jen Bishop's website, dreamsetc.com, and I will link all the everything that you need to get a hold of Jen at Dreams, etc., either on Etsy or her website, or Denise at A Tattered Dream, also on Etsy. So I used this background stamp on the pages, and it came from Carabelle Studio, which Jen carries on her website. As well, Jen has this wonderful stamp on her website, and I've used it in the book. You'll see it a little bit later, but both of those are available on her website, not on the Etsy store. So there you go. So this is some of that background stamping. If you can see, I just lightly background stamped on the coffee dyed so that it could still be written on. So I have some Christmas music here and one of the library cards from A Tattered Dream that has been embellished with items from the Christmas Remnants kit from Dreams, etc. Then on this side, I have a snippet belly band. I have one of the envelopes from the kit, and it's got one of the journaling cards from the kit that I've put the lines with corrugated cardboard on there. So that just slides in there. Here's one of my little fun plays I had with Jen's stamp. I used some distress ink and kind of watercolored over this part, and a little pen for his lips, and then I did some, I think you can see the shine, the Wink of Stella on his fur. So we jazzed Santa up a little bit. Here we have an envelope with, this is another one of the journaling cards, whoops, upside down, that I just folded in half so it would slip in and out really easily here. This comes with the kit that just embellished that page a little bit. I made a pocket with a little leftover snippet that I had, and then this is a tag from the kit, and I just tore up some material that I had in my stash and made a topper for that. So, and those are just distress inked a little bit. So that's there. This is, let me take it off for a second. This is one of the envelopes from from A Tattered Dream. Lots of dreams. We got lots of dreams going on here. Dreams, etc., and A Tattered Dream. So here's an envelope, and I've decorated both sides so I could slip it over this page, and then used one of the printables there and on the back, and did some of the background stamping and stuff. This, I coffee dyed this envelope. These envelopes come white to begin with. So I just slip it over the top of the page like so and give it a little clip. I put some fun yarn on all the clips so that we'd have some fun fluff at the top of the pages. Oh, and I should point out too, this little pink lace behind is also from A Tattered Dream. And let's see. Then we've got one of the bags from A Tattered Dream, again with embellished with a tag from the kit. And then I put just a little index card that I put some lace on the top, and I just stuck it in the side of the tag there. And then inside the bag we have another one of the beautiful envelopes with journaling card for extra journaling space. So that slides in the bag. And then this is one of the sacks from A Tattered Dream. This is a merchandise tag from A Tattered Dream. And then I just put it on as a tuck, and we tucked Santa Claus down into the bag. And a couple of the little printables there. And then this printable I just put on so it would be a tuck spot for these little tags. And then behind the bag, this is a avocado dyed index card that I got from Renee at GT Designs. I purchased a pack of her avocado dyed papers, and so I stamped a Santa on there and just put a little washi just to kind of bring out the pink of this design over here. Some more stamping. This is an Ideal Magazine, a Christmas Ideal Magazine page. Did a little border stamping here, and this is one of the ledger sheets from A Tattered Dream that I've taken one of the printables and made a tuck spot for these two. And this is some Kool-Aid dyed paper that I got at, I'm trying to remember the Etsy store. If you search Kool-Aid dyed paper on Etsy, you'll find her. It's Grammy's Keepsakes or something like that. So anyway, here is one of the printables on this flip out, and then again did some light stamping. Here's one of the guest checks from A Tattered Dream, which is coffee dyed and one of the printables sewn on, and so it can be used to journal on the back there. Oops. And then this little pink paper, I just put a printable on as a pocket, and so I'd have a place to tuck some of these tiny things in. This is some Christmas stationery. One of the gorgeous, gorgeous printables. And this is actually the center of the signature. And so I made a pocket with this index card, put some lace on it, and then attached a boho bead with one of the little garment clips from A Tattered Dream. And then that goes in the pocket. Has the lace peeking out a little bit. So there's the middle of the signature. I did put some charms in this one, a snowflake and a Christmas tree, just dangling down the bottom. And then on this side, once again, it's a pocket. And here is the index card on that side. Whoop. There we go. And this is that vintage letterhead that I just decided needed to be as it was. And then some small printables again on the pink page there. And then this is one of the layaway tags from A Tattered Dream. Once again, I just coffee dyed it, added one of the printables, and it can be journaled on the back, and it's just on with a paper clip there. Then this page, this is one of the bags from A Tattered Dream that I put one of the Christmas printables over, so that turned it instantly into a Christmas bag. Here's the tag that I've slid inside the bag. And then in back of the bag, I just did one, this is a printable from the kit. Just did some light stamping on the back of that, and that's just slid in there for a little extra writing space. Here's the other side of the ledger paper from A Tattered Dream. This is the Ideal paper from the Ideal magazine. So there's a lot of journaling spots in this. Okay, here's my infamous wax seal experiment, and in this little envelope, which as you know, I love how this came out. So it's just got this little journaling card in it, and I put the flap over the page. So we have one of the tags on this side that is there, and then tucked in this side, I'm actually going to pull that out, is this is another one of the pieces from the Christmas card kit that comes with the Christmas Remnants. So yeah, so I just clipped that, and so both of those things tuck up in there and stay nicely. Here's the other side of the Tattered Dream bag, and I've used some lace from A Tattered Dream here and some printables, did a little stickling. Here's one of the journaling cards from the kit. I'm going to put this up to the camera because I think it is absolutely gorgeous. So yeah, this kit was just a dream to work with. So fun. It's my colors. What can I say? It's my colors. And then I put another Santa on this flip out, which flips the other way. This was just a little pocket that I had made in my stash with some muslin that I'd printed on and some lace and stuff, and so I thought it went well with this journal, and so I just tucked one of the tags. I had this flower gifted to me, and I just thought that was cute on the top, so that's what I did there. This is from the kit. And then on this side, I put some lace from A Tattered Dream. This envelope as well is from A Tattered Dream. And this cute little girl. And she's just perfect. She just peeks right out the window when you get her in the envelope. So there she is. Here is the deer stamp that Jen Bishop did, and she's got those in her shop, so run on over before she runs out. They're so beautiful. Her artwork is amazing. I am a Jen Bishop fan for sure. So this paper was from 1958, as was the one on the front, and I actually left the copyright, the 1958 showing, and I received that in my happy mail from Renee at GT Designs. So that was fun. This is Denise's time card here that I've embellished with this little girl from the printables, and then this ticket is from Denise's shop and the laces too. So she makes a wonderful sturdy tuck. And so I've got just one of the tags from the kit and one of the journaling cards from the kit tucked behind her. Which brings us to the last page. I've got a snippet belly band, and this is one of the cards from the kit, and I just stamped "to be continued" on it. Tucked it in that last page. And there we go. It's all ready to go to its new owner. I just need to put my little Made by Gail on it, and we're set to go. So thanks everyone so much for watching the flip through. I want to thank Jen and Denise for asking me to do design team for them. I love their products, both of them. They have such great things, and as you can see, the two of them mesh together to make a really fun journal. So so thank you, Jen. Thank you, Denise. I appreciate it so much. And I will just see you next time. Thanks everybody for watching the Craft with Me's and the flip through. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.